Today, I'll show you how to make your Windows 10 desktop cool and professional. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. In this window, choose to use small taskbar buttons. Next, if you have any applications on your desktop, you can select their shortcuts and drag them to the taskbar by holding the left mouse button. After moving the shortcuts, you can delete them from the desktop. Then, right-click on the taskbar again. And in the new window, uncheck the boxes for unnecessary applications. Right-click on the search box and select Show Search icon. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Toolbars Links. Then, right-click on the taskbar and uncheck the option to lock the taskbar. Drag the separator to the right side as shown in the video. Then move it to the left and center your application icons. Next, right-click on the taskbar and check the option to lock the taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar again and go to Taskbar Settings. Here, enable the option to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Open your browser and search for Rainmeter. Go to the website and click the Download button. Now go to your browser and search for Rainmeter skins. Visit the site, choose the theme you want to download, scroll down, and click the Download button. Now let's install Rainmeter file. In your downloads, double-click the downloaded file and click Install, following the on-screen steps. To completely clear the desktop, you need to remove the Recycle Bin shortcut. Go to Settings. Select Personalization. Then go to the Themes section and click on Desktop Icon Settings. In the new window, uncheck the Recycle Bin. Let's change the desktop background to something more suitable. I'll leave a link to the website where you can download similar wallpapers to your liking. Now let's install Rainmeter skins file. In your downloads, double-click the downloaded file and click Install, following the on-screen steps. In the settings window that appears, you can change the clock format and add or remove individual elements. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.